Bookkeepers play a vital role in maintaining the financial health of an organization. They are responsible for recording financial transactions, managing accounts, and ensuring that all financial records are accurate and up to date. Because their work directly impacts business decision-making, accuracy, attention to detail, and organizational skills are critical. Bookkeepers are often the backbone of the finance department, supporting accountants and management with reliable and timely financial data. Bookkeeper interviews assess both technical proficiency and integrity. Employers want to evaluate your knowledge of accounting principles, software proficiency, and ability to manage financial data accurately. Additionally, they look for organizational skills, problem-solving abilities, and attention to detail. Preparing for these interviews involves demonstrating your technical knowledge, experience, and ethical approach to handling sensitive financial information. This video provides common bookkeeper interview questions, sample answers, and tips to help you excel in your interview. Question 1. Why do you want to work as a bookkeeper? Answer begins here. I enjoy working with financial data and ensuring accuracy in accounting records. Being a bookkeeper allows me to combine my organizational skills with my attention to detail while supporting the financial operations of an organization. I take pride in contributing to accurate and timely financial reporting. Tip: emphasize interest in finance, accuracy, and reliability. Question 2. What qualities make a successful bookkeeper? Answer begins here. A successful bookkeeper is detail-oriented, organized, and trustworthy. They should have strong numerical skills, be proficient with accounting software, and maintain confidentiality. Additionally, problem-solving abilities and effective communication help when clarifying discrepancies or collaborating with colleagues. Tip: highlight both technical and personal qualities. Question 3. How do you ensure accuracy in your work? Answer begins here. I ensure accuracy by double-checking entries, reconciling accounts regularly, and maintaining systematic records. I follow standardized processes and use accounting software features like validation rules and error checking to minimize mistakes. Tip: show attention to detail and a methodical approach. Question 4. How do you handle tight deadlines or high workload periods? Answer begins here. I prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance, use checklists to stay organized, and focus on one task at a time to maintain accuracy. Planning and time management help me meet deadlines without compromising quality. Tip: demonstrate efficiency, organization, and reliability under pressure. Question 5. What experience do you have with accounting software? Answer begins here. I have experience using software like QuickBooks, Xero, and Sage for recording transactions, generating reports, and reconciling accounts. I am comfortable adapting to new software and can quickly learn system-specific processes. Tip: mention specific software and practical experience. Question 6. How do you handle discrepancies in financial records? Answer begins here. When I identify a discrepancy, I investigate the source by reviewing entries, invoices, and receipts. I communicate with relevant team members to clarify any inconsistencies and make adjustments following accounting guidelines. Accuracy and transparency are essential throughout the process. Tip: emphasize problem-solving, communication, and integrity. Question 7. Can you explain your experience with account reconciliation? Answer begins here. I regularly reconcile bank statements, supplier accounts, and customer accounts to ensure that records match actual transactions. I review discrepancies, investigate causes, and adjust entries appropriately while documenting all actions to maintain accuracy and compliance. Tip: provide specific examples to demonstrate hands-on experience. Question 8. How do you maintain confidentiality with sensitive financial information? Answer begins here. I strictly follow company policies and accounting standards to protect sensitive information. I limit access to authorized personnel, secure physical and digital records, and ensure that discussions regarding finances are confidential. Tip: highlight trustworthiness and ethical practices. Question 9. How do you stay organized with multiple accounts and transactions? Answer begins here. I maintain organized files, use accounting software for efficient tracking, and regularly reconcile accounts. Checklists, calendars, and routine review processes help me manage multiple accounts without overlooking any details. Tip: emphasize organizational skills and methodical work habits. Question 10. How do you approach financial reporting? Answer begins here. I prepare accurate and timely reports by consolidating financial data, verifying entries, and ensuring compliance with accounting standards. I focus on clarity and accuracy, presenting reports in a format that is easy for management to analyze and make informed decisions. Tip: stress accuracy, clarity, and adherence to standards. Question 11. How do you handle errors made by others in financial data? Answer begins here. I address errors professionally and promptly. I review the entries to understand the mistake, communicate with the relevant person or department, and make necessary corrections according to accounting policies. Maintaining accuracy and transparency is key. Tip: highlight professionalism, problem-solving, and teamwork. Question 12. How do you keep up with accounting regulations and best practices? Answer begins here. I regularly read industry publications, attend webinars, and participate in professional courses. Staying updated ensures compliance with laws and helps me implement best practices in record-keeping, reporting, and reconciliation. Tip: show commitment to continuous learning and compliance. Question 13. How do you handle repetitive tasks without losing focus? Answer begins here. I maintain focus by following structured processes, setting small milestones, and periodically reviewing my work for accuracy. Using automation tools where possible also helps maintain consistency while reducing fatigue. Tip: emphasize discipline, attention to detail, and efficiency. Question 14. How do you communicate financial information to non-financial colleagues? Answer begins here. I simplify complex financial data by using clear language, visual aids like charts, and concise summaries. I aim to make the information understandable without compromising accuracy, ensuring colleagues can make informed decisions. Tip: highlight communication skills and clarity. Question 15. Why should we hire you as a bookkeeper? Answer begins here. I bring a combination of technical proficiency, accuracy, and reliability. I have hands-on experience with accounting software, a strong understanding of financial processes, and a commitment to ethical practices. My organizational skills and attention to detail ensure accurate record-keeping and support for your finance team. Tip: align your skills, experience, and reliability with the employer's needs. Closing thoughts. Bookkeeper interviews assess not just technical accounting skills, but also attention to detail, integrity, and organizational abilities. Employers want candidates who can handle financial data accurately, manage multiple accounts, and provide reliable reports to support business decisions. When preparing for an interview, highlight real-life experiences that demonstrate your proficiency with accounting software, ability to reconcile accounts, and commitment to accuracy and confidentiality. Showcase your organizational skills, problem-solving approach, and ethical standards. Authenticity and clear communication are essential, particularly when explaining financial processes or addressing discrepancies. Ultimately, a successful bookkeeper combines precision, professionalism, and reliability. By preparing thoroughly, providing concrete examples, and demonstrating a commitment to financial integrity, you can present yourself as a strong candidate who will contribute effectively to the organization's financial operations.